In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can find a restricted account on Instagram. Okay, so basically what restricted means, it's like you didn't block the person, but they are restricted from certain things on your profiles. So they'll still be able to do some things, but they won't be able to do other things. So to find the accounts that you have restricted, you can go ahead from the home page and tap on your profile icon there at the bottom right. Then you want to tap on the three stripes at the top right. Then you want to tap on settings, and then you want to tap on privacy. And then if you scroll down a little bit, you can see underneath connections, it says restricted accounts. Tap on restricted accounts. And if it's the first time you're opening this up, it's going to show this page. Just tap on continue. And on the screen, this is where you'll see all the accounts that you have restricted. And if you want to go ahead and restrict an account from the screen, you go ahead and tap on the search bar. Then we just type a username. Let's say I want to restrict this account. I would tap on the blue restrict button, and then it will appear in this list. And you can also go ahead and unrestrict the account from the same screen by tapping on unrestrict. So that is how you find a restricted account on Instagram. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more. Take care.